be giving back a car like this, guys. Man, it really hurts. It really hurts. It really hurts. But I have to be responsible. I have to be responsible. I'll tell you why I'm returning this car in a little bit. What is it that I don't like about this car? On the outsides, they've given you a lot of clad moldings to set it apart from the regular Ford Mustang GT. You've got that big spoiler on the back that is just, it's great to give you the downforce that you need on a track. But when you're driving on day to day, it blocks so much of your view out the back there. The plastics that they use for the clad moldings on the outside, they've done so little to show the type of cost that you are paying for this car. It's cheap. A Shelby GT350R starts at $87,000, guys. And for that, you don't see it. It has a fantastic engine and the transmission's great. The shift is awesome in this 6-speed manual. But on the insides now, there's just, once again, plastics that just look so cheap. It's sad, actually. When I think of vehicles like the Hyundai and the Kia, they do so much more to show you what you're paying for. Yes, what I'm paying for is under the hood, but Ford, you can do better. It's $87,000, guys. But that brings me now to the real reason of why I'm returning this car, and it has nothing to do with how this car is, how fantastic this car is. And when I think of that, it really hurts. It really hurts that I have to return a car like this, because when you go back into that 5.2 liter naturally aspirated flat plane crank V8 out front, it almost brings me to tears. Now, the real reason of why I am returning this Shelby GT350R, it's because I have to be financially responsible. I love cars, and if I had all the money in the world, I will have one of the largest stable there is. But I work really hard and I try to have fun, but I have to be responsible with how I spend my money. I called my insurance to find out what would be the cost to add this car to my stable. If you watch the channel, you know that it was given to me in our first episode where we started on this, the Shelby GT350R. And I haven't done it for a while, but I called yesterday to find out what it would cost. And I have to say, I was, surprised is not the word. I felt as though someone had just punched me in the chest because of how much I love this car. Going around the corner. Of how much I love this car, and to know that I won't be able to keep it because of something so simple. This Shelby GT350R will run my cost of ownership for all of my vehicles. And if you guys know my channel, I have the M6, the 550, the 328, the motorcycle, and then I was going to add this one. This Shelby GT350R would have taken my insurance to over $1,000 per month. See, we are a small channel. We are only at 5,000 some subscribers. And if you think that we should be more, guys, subscribe to our channel because we love doing this stuff. And to pay over $1,000 a month just for insurance, however great the Shelby GT350R is, it doesn't make sense to do that. It's a gift, and my God, what a gift it is. But you have to keep it, you have to maintain it, along with all the other vehicles. And it is for that reason it makes me really sad, because this car is such a pleasure to drive. Forget its fuel economy, it's terrible there. But that exhaust note alone, and the thrust once you get over 4,000 RPMs, the Shelby GT350R is worth it to own if it was only that car in my stable. My name is Elton Felix, guys, and I always thank you for your time. I appreciate each moment you spend with me. It means a lot. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, join us. We enjoy what we do, and if you enjoy cars, I think you will enjoy being here with us. Thanks for your time. My name is Elton Felix.